Hello everyone! In this video, we'll address a common question: can you hide your Instagram following and follower list? Many users are interested in keeping this information private, and we'll explore how to hide your following and followers list on Instagram without setting your entire account to private. If your Instagram profile is currently set to public, other users can see your following and follower list. Instagram does not provide a specific feature to control who can see the list, but there's one effective way to hide them, by switching your Instagram account to private. Here are the steps to switch your account to private and hide your following and follower list on Instagram. Tap on your profile picture located on the bottom navigation bar. Tap on the menu icon in the top right corner of your Instagram profile, and navigate to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and set Privacy. Under Connections, tap on Account Privacy. Now, tap the switch to enable Private Account. When you switch to a private account, only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos. By following these steps, you can effectively hide your Instagram following and followers list from the public view without making your entire account private. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!